students of class 9, good morning all of you. Today I will teach you about equation of motion. I have taught in previous lecture law of motion, but in this lecture I want to teach you, I want to derive equation of the motion. There are three different equations of the motion. First, v is equal to u plus a. Second, s is equal to ut plus of at square. Third, v square is equal to u square plus 2as, where u is initial velocity, v is your final velocity, a is acceleration, t is time taken, s is distance covered distance. These are three very important equations of the motion. In case of acceleration, when the body increases their velocity, their speed with respect to time, in this case we will get these three types of equations. If the body decreases their motion, then that time, in case of acceleration, the x there, retardation, you will be use sign negative there. Now I am going to derive first equation of motion. Derivative of first equation of motion. Derivative of first equation of motion. Very important equation. I will prove it two different methods. First is your according to on behalf of your acceleration definition, and second method graphical method. Now first method I will discuss. Let a car, let a body start their motion with initial velocity u. After t time, if its gain velocity v, due to applying acceleration a, if its gain velocity v, the taken time is t, then I can find out the value of acceleration. यानी हम मान सकते हैं, सपोज कर सकते हैं, कंसीडर कर सकते हैं कि कोई व्हीकल, कोई बॉडी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी u से चलना आरंभ करती है और t समय बाद वो v वेलोसिटी को अचीव कर लेती है। यदि इसकी वेलोसिटी इंक्रीज की हो, बड़ी हो, तो I will find out acting acceleration on that body, that moving body. The acting acceleration on that moving body, we know according to definition of acceleration, rate of change of velocity per unit time, it is the final velocity, it is the initial velocity, means v minus u by t. V minus u by t. Now solving it, at is equal to v minus u, or v is equal to u plus at. V is equal to u plus at. It is the first equation of motion. You will try to understand this thing and write down a question related to this first equation of motion. Question number 1. A car starts its motion with 20 kilometer per hour. After 20 seconds, its gain velocity km per hour. Then find out acceleration on body. Second question. A car is moving with velocity 25 kilometer per hour. If the car is accelerating with 5 meter per second square, then find out velocity of car after 30 seconds. Okay, it is your homework. You will do this.